Hello, this is George.
And I'm Gina Michelle with the agency.
Welcome to 4511 Havenhurst Avenue.
This is the Rolls Royce of new construction. There are so many amazing spaces in this house that we quite literally don't know where to start. It's 8,500 square feet.
It's 7 bed, 8 bath, so many places to entertain at. One of them is this beautifully done bar with custom wood finishes. It has 2 wine fridges right behind me, and it's sitting right by the fireplace with book match tile and open to entertaining as well.
Gorgeous, impeccably designed other spaces that we're ecstatic to show you. So can we talk about this hoodvent for like a second? Because I mean, really.
It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous, like absolutely stunning. This kitchen is incredibly thought out. It has all the bells and whistles. It has Wolf appliances, a Sub-Zero fridge, a wine fridge, a Wolf coffee maker.
You have the double islands, custom cabinetry. You have another service kitchen with its own dishwasher, sink, and fridge and freezer.
So your food can get prepped over there while you hang out in here.
So many amenities in this house. One of them is this incredible movie theater that's soundproof, great for entertaining for your family and friends and grabbing some popcorn.
We see a lot of houses, you guys, and this one in particular has been really designed for people who like to entertain.
Great gaming room here with a pool table, built-in speakers, right next to the movie theater.
It has a custom kind of built-in bar with wine fridge over on that side. And then you're stepping out one of several sets of Fleetwoods.
Several Fleetwood doors throughout to give you that indoor-outdoor feel and living style.
You've got a massage room over here to the right, a putting green.
Cabana, waterfall, outdoor dining and kitchen, everything you could ask for.
The cabana's complete with a TV, fireplace. I mean, really, you could be here all day and not run out of things to do.
This is all you need.